Hey y'all, it's the girl Mandy, and I'm back with another video. I'm going to be showing you this pink eyeshadow tutorial today. The first thing that you want to do is get your primer. I'm using the e.l.f. Face Poreless Primer. Putting that all over my eyelid. Okay. Then I'm going to go with my NYX Professional Base. This is the white one. This is just so the pink colors can pop. Okay, so that's the reason that I'm using this. Alright, so after you got the base on your eyelid, what you want to do is take a baby beauty blender and blend it out, baby, okay? And that's just that on period. So we blending, and then I'm going to take my palette. I'm using the Revolution Patricia Prite Rich in Color, okay? So obviously we're going to be using the pinks in here. That pink right there that I pointed out is the Fruit Punch color, okay? The most vibrant color, I believe, or pink in the palette. But your girl was patting it in and messed up. Okay, so we have to set our base. So the color that I'm going to be using to set the base is, I believe it's pronounced Helligent. Okay, we're going to just put that all over the lid, just like so. Then we're going to go back in with Fruit Punch. All right, and we just going to focus on the outer of the eye, you know, bring it a little bit in, but it's, you know, higher. It's not near the eyelash, okay? Just go ahead, do that, girl, period. All right, so now that we got the pink on the eyelid, we got to blend it, okay? So we blending, you know, okay? Don't stop until it's nice and seamless. Alrighty. Then we're going to go back in with Fruit Punch. We're going to deepen that color. More so on the outer of the eye. Okay, and then we just dragging it in, period. All right, so now we're gonna go in with our second pink. This pink's popping, that's the color name. All right, and then we're gonna focus this color on the actual lid. Don't forget to tap the excess powder off, you know, tap right there on the side of your palette. Okay, and we just going in. All right, we deepen in the colors. Alrighty. That's right, girl. Do what you gotta do. Alrighty, blend both of these colors, okay? You know. All right, so now we're going to go in with another color from the palette, which is called Queen. We're going to be focusing on the outer or the corner of the eyelid, okay? And we're actually using this color to give the look some more depth, some more definition, all right? So we just patting and packing it in. All right, and then we're going to blend it. And we just going to repeat the steps, okay? All right, so now I'm going back in with Fruit Punch. I'm just doing this to deepen the color in the crease, as well as a little bit on the outer, you know, trying to blend everything together. Also, you're gonna see me go in with this Pink's Poppin', and we're gonna put it right back on the eyelid. All right, we just trying to deepen up the look, make the look just look a little bit better, you know, more vibrant colors, more bold colors. All right, so now I'm back. I got my eyelid done. I put my eyelash on and my eyeliner on. Now I'm going to be going in with my NYX Glitter Base, or it's actually called a glitter primer, okay? This is more so like an adhesive so that your loose glitter can stick. So I'm actually just applying this with an angled brush because I have the eyeliner on. I don't want to mess it up. So I'm just using something very thin. I'm going to put that all over the lid. All right, so now that that is pretty much done, I'm actually gonna go in with my loose glitter. I do apologize for not showing you the container, but I will sure to leave a link in the description box of where I purchased it. I actually got it from Amazon. It came in a pack with different colors. I just used this vibrant pink because I thought it would look really nice with the look. So that's what you see me doing. We just patted it in, okay? You looking at ourselves, seeing it look nice. All right, and here you just see me taking a clean brush and wiping the excess glitter off. All right, so now I'm just gonna go back in with that primer. So that way, you know, I'm fixing my look. I'm making it as nice as I can. I'm trying to make it look like the other eye. So we just fixing it up, okay? So now I'm going back in with the palette because you can see that the glitter is a little too high. I'm actually going to go back in with Fruit Punch, and I'm just going to, you know, apply the eyeshadow all on the top of where the glitter was, just to deepen it. All right, so now I'm going to go back in with Queen, and I'm actually just going to pat that in the side of the corner of my eye, and then we are just going to blend that out. Okay. Then I'm going to go back in with that primer. We're going to fix it up a little bit, and then we're going to add some more glitter. All right, so this look still needs some work, so I'm going back in with this Pink's Poppin', and I'm just fixing it up. All right, adding some more glitter. So we're going back in with that primer. And we're also gonna just go back in with Fruit Punch. I'm back and my face is done. We're gonna wrap this look up, and we're gonna do the bottom lashes. All right, so I'm gonna go in with Fruit Punch on the outer of the eye. now we're gonna go in with this Pink's Poppin' on the inner. And now I'm just gonna add some mascara to the bottom lashes. Alright, so that's it for this look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way you're alerted every time I post a video. I'm trying to say bye, but I don't know what I'm doing with my hands afterwards. Just have a great day and God bless.